Hello, I wanted to take a minute and show you this 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. It does have a 8-cylinder 5.3 liter engine and it is rear wheel drive. It's been fully serviced and checked out and everything is good to go. This Tahoe does qualify for guaranteed credit approval through the banks and credit unions that we work with. We offer complimentary Carfax reports available here at the dealership or online through our website. It does have remote start. And you do have your blind spot monitor in the mirror. There you go. And you have your turn signal indicator as well. And the interior is leather. It does have a power seat. It also has a sunroof. And you do have memory seats, or driver seats here. And it also has the Bose stereo system. Your steering wheel has your Bluetooth cruise control and audio controls. It also has your heated steering wheel. And you have your power pedal adjustment here, along with your lane departure warning and parking sensors. You can turn those on or off right there. It currently has 120,000 miles. It does have navigation. That screen is also where your backup camera will display. It's also a push button start. You do have dual climate controls for the driver and passenger. And then you have your rear air at the very bottom. And it has heated seats for the driver and passenger as well. And your sunroof controls are right here. And you have your interior power liftgate button, and then you have your garage door where you can program those if you choose to. And you also have a power tilt and telescopic steering column. I didn't unlock all the doors. Your second row is a bench seat, which can seat up to 3 people. And you have an armrest there with cup holders. And your third row will also seat up to 3 people. Your rear air vents are in the headliner. And you also have a DVD player. If you choose to have the passengers in the rear control the air, you can use these knobs. And then the 2 outboard seats also have heated seats. And you do have a little bit of storage under there. And your third row seats are power up and down folding. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to come in and take a closer look or test drive, you can call us at 336-270-5104 or visit us online at ddtruckandauto.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.